Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope all are well. Today I will talk to you and I will explain you how to grow your business for online. So before I starting the video, if you think our YouTube channel is very helpful for you and our video content is very helpful for you, please subscribe and press the bell icon. When you subscribe and press the bell icon, when I upload on my video on my YouTube channel, you will get first on my video from your notification bar. Okay, so I explain these topics how to grow your business through online, 10 ways to grow your business online. Okay, so please stay with us and connect with us. So you can see I open a website and I explain this website. Don't worry, I explain this website. This website is very helpful for you and I explain now. So you can see other category subcategory, like when you click a category you can see other subcategory. Okay, so you can see other subcategory, and you can see home, business news, tech, startup updates, and entrepreneur tips, DYK, more. And you can see other social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, search bar, and you can see other information, and you can see other links, and you can see other clickable button, like you can see social media button or icon. When you click social media like Facebook and Google and other social media, when you click you can see other article, you can see other page like this social media. Which social media you click, this social media is opened and you can see this social media. Okay, so I explained this topic, 10 ways to grow your business online. So you can see share on social media. You can, if you want to share this blog, write this website, if you can share on Facebook and share on Twitter and LinkedIn, other WhatsApp, if you want to share it. Okay, so I explain and I scroll down. Operating a business requires a lot of commitment, passions, and preservations. Your passions for the company also makes a lot of difference in how much effort you will give you to keep it going. Okay, the internet is one of the biggest market views globally and is full of diverse business that grow using their unique status. If you run a business is collaborations with an e-commerce website such as Steve, you should always watch how they can help grow your business online. When it comes to a prospering business online, you can use various status according to the situations. Okay, many companies that get funnel visitors into the idea of success can stumble on an obstacle they aren't paying attention to. Okay, so number one, have a unique and appealing website. And you can see your creativity may not feel unique in the sea of similar website, but if you dedicate time to designing a good website, it will be worth it. Websites are the first impressions on of an online business in a visitor's eyes, and a good website can be an instant conversion factor. Websites with straightforward navigations help people see what they want to see with us and without much hand holding. Okay, your website also needs to be responsive and fast with peak quality servers giving information. If you are in friend partnership with an e-commerce website, this focus should be easy. At most e-commerce companies have excellent website. Amazon, Flipkart, Facebook all offer a reliable website to publish content for public access. You will not have to invest significantly, but your reach will also be similar than an independent Google by business website. Okay, number two, mobile friendly website. Making a mobile friendly website is a little tricky as well. Them they has have various size of screens, but if you hire a company with expertise in this regards, you can have a mobile friendly website for almost every device in the market. Mobile devices are the most commonly available computing device, and you have to benefit from that to be significant in the online marketplace. If your website is available for more devices, you will have access to a better user base, and in turn you will collect users data analysis for Google Analytics is very beneficial in any online marketplace, so you should not ignore the more significant user base on mobile device. Facebook is a big marketing social media platform in many Asian and European countries, and you can set up a profitable business identity through that. Okay, so number three is social media marketing. You can I explain have a unique and appearing website, like unique website create and develop, and mobile friendly website create and develop, and number three is social media marketing. Okay, social media marketing is a big, if not bigger than mobile device user base. Moreover, social media marketing is a very booming business all around the internet. There are enormous types of social media platforms for different users, and each provides with their kind of marketing benefits. Facebook in undoubtedly the marketing hub with the biggest user base from all around the world, and will host considerably opportunities to grow your business online. Okay, so Facebook as a platform knows the user base needs and adapt them, and now it also has a marketplace sales sections. Because of social media marketing benefits, you can also get premium benefits with Facebook if you sign up for their advertisement subscription. Google also has significant advertisement benefits for your online business regardless and um of its island as a search engine. Twitter offer push advertisement people who might fit in your organization niche. Okay, so number four is email marketing. Everybody is in the world at least has a working email. That's for sure. A lot of people do not have email, but that population is comparably small. Some people think email marketing is fading out, but the number will tell you otherwise. If you see marketing research, email marketing is a process of mass sending commercial emails to the people who subscribe to your newsletters. Okay, the email marketing method is quite adequate as people willingly sign up for newsletter most of the time. From your online business, you can reach a global audience and generate extra revenue on their site if you are successful. Marketing is also the most straightforward marketing method to automate with many different email automation software for which you have to pay a minimum price. Okay, so number five is a study your competitors. Google Analysis is a benefits tool that will help you study and produce your next move, but the since comes with the benefit of letting you study with competitors as well. You can find what strategies to work with them and find similarities between your companies. Studying your competitors can let you have the upper hand over their system, as you can under your losses with better companies. Okay, so you can Google my business and find out their strategies to drive traffic to their website and how their social media network work. You will find out your competitors weakness and how you can keep a tab on there with is. You can also look into their advertisement campaigns to see how they try to drive traffic. Okay, so don't worry. So if you think our content is helpful for you, please stay with us and connect with us. Okay, so number 6 is optimize your content, and according to various research that suggest that the first page of Google search results is the most dedicated in search eyes. Every website on the web aims to reach the first page while competing with different parts. The way to get to the first page is through search engine optimization, which will get more traffic for little to no comparisons and is one of the fastest ways to grow your business online. Okay, so every search query comes with specific keyword and you have to find out which popular questions are related to your website content. When you are from your content of the website include keywords or to increase the relevancy of the website. When you accommodate a larger audience, you will be getting more conversions to customers from your own business. The internet is full of many different SEO optimized companies who will analyze your organizations and find the best keyword for your content. Okay, so number 7 is try increasing the website traffic, and website traffic can directly relax to your website conversions rate and helps get better scores in search result. Okay, so you can use SEO to add value to all your content that you post on your website. Your content primarily goal is to be relevant to as many popular queries that match the Google My Business and website niche. You will also have much scope to build UPen if you uh, know which niche you can expand and you can expand UPen. Okay, so another option is buying traffic from your website that offer it. Okay, so Google and Facebook are the most prominent establishment that help website to get offer to get Facebook or Google premium advertisement will get you a higher spot in search results depending on a little relevancy with Google Analytics for ads. Independent advertisement websites such as social media websites charge money depending upon your needs. In contrast, and Google Ads are a hub of advertisement exchange. You can find many advertisement companies as well which offer similar services. Okay, so number 8, publish quality content. Okay, so number 8 I explained. So if you think this content is helpful for you, please stay with us and connect with us. Okay, so your content quality is also highly beneficial for your website, and people will be more willing to buy from a website engaging materials. You should know your organization's niche and your blog selected will help you grow your business online. Researchers have seen that more than 82% of marketers experience positive return in their blogging investment. Okay, so you have to study the content you post on your website to find how you can increase your online business reach. You also have to choose your niche carefully, as you want to cater to an audience interested in your products. Advertising to the wrong audience is an investment is waste, as you are significantly less likely to gain any conversion. Okay, so I explained these topics. So if you think this content is helpful for you, please stay with us, and I explain these topics another tutorial and another tutorial. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.